In recent years, Honda has been steadfast in its pursuit to transition towards more sustainable mobility solutions. The 2023 iteration of the HR-V, boasting an eHEV badge, clearly reflects this commitment. This subcompact SUV is not just another vehicle, but is a purposeful stride towards the future. Equipped with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine working in tandem with two electric motors and a compact lithium-ion battery pack, it exudes both power and efficiency. The hybrid system churns out a decent 129 horsepower and 253 newton-meters of torque and operates with a fixed-gear transmission. Under the hood, the HR-V eHEV's powertrain, with its aforementioned specifications, strikes an ideal balance between performance and efficiency. The acceleration is smooth and befitting for everyday commuting. Honda claims an impressive fuel efficiency of up to 52 miles per gallon in city driving and 44 on the highway. Additionally, the regenerative braking system recoups energy typically wasted during deceleration, further contributing to fuel economy. The exterior design is where the HR-V truly sets itself apart. With sleek lines and sharp angles, it embraces a more modern aesthetic compared to its predecessors. The bold front grille, coupled with slim LED headlights, imparts the SUV with a unique and aggressive look. The raised ground clearance further accentuates its robust and elegant stance. Inside, the cabin is a haven of space and comfort. There's plenty of headroom and legroom, even in the rear seats. High-quality materials have been used, including soft-touch plastics. The HR-V eHEV comes in two trims, LX and X. The LX offers a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 4-speaker sound system, a rear-view camera, and cloth seats as standard. The X variant takes it up a notch with an 8-speaker sound system, a sunroof, heated front seats, and leather seats. The infotainment system is another highlight. The 7-inch touchscreen in the LX and the upgraded version in the X are both intuitive and offer crisp graphics. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility is standard. The advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist make driving both safer and more pleasant. The potential drawback for some buyers might be the pricing. Being a hybrid, it's expected to have a heftier price tag compared to conventional gasoline models. However, considering the long-term savings on fuel and the environmental benefits, the initial investment may well be justified for those who give priority to sustainability and efficiency. To summarize, the 2023 Honda HR-V eHEV is an excellent option for buyers seeking a fuel-efficient yet stylish SUV. The combination of its hybrid powertrain, modern exterior design, comfortable interior, and ample cargo space make it a strong contender in the subcompact SUV segment. Though the price may be a hurdle for some, the array of benefits it offers validates it as a solid investment for those looking to make an environmentally friendly choice without compromising on comfort or functionality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.